Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. And welcome to today's project. So I am using these pretty paper bags from Globleland. This is, a bit of a partnership with them. So this is the 4 different bags that came in my pack. There were, I think 3 of each bag, something like that, maybe even more than that. 6 of each bag, lots of them basically, and they're really pretty, beautiful floral colours, perfect for my upcoming secret garden project. So the thing that I wanted to make with them is this paper bag pocket. So this is my little attempt at it, and when you stick it down on a page, so you stick all this part down, you then can open it up like this for, lots of different goodies inside, journal cards, tickets, journaling spots, whatever. But they stay really flat on your page. There's not much thickness depending on what you put inside them, and don't they look so fun? So I've seen a few different people do these. It is not an idea I've come up with. I first saw them on Tanya's channel, and that's Tanya from Tatty Treasure. So I've always wanted to give it a go. So this was my attempt at it, and I loved this, torn book page look. So I'm going to do that with these ones today. And there is a bonus make for a different video. I will talk to you about that in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to use my trimmer, just because I want to get, a neat edge. So this is the paper bags that we're using. So they're essentially gusseted ones with, this fold out bottom piece, I guess. So I'm going to have a look here. I'm just pinching where the edge of this piece is, basically. And I'm going to fold that back so that I don't risk cutting into it. And I'm just lining up my mark. And I've cut that, which looks good. That's fine. It's a little bit non-straight, so I just want to get that a bit. I can never cut things in a straight line. Okay, that's fine. All right, so I've done the others off screen just so you don't need to see me do it 4 different times. So let me grab those. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is get some tabs on. You don't necessarily have to do this part, it just makes it easier to open them. So just put some glue on here. I have a whale tail die that allows me to get this shape. So I'm aiming for kind of in the middle for this one, but you can put the tab wherever you like. And then I've got a creamy one for this beautiful green, white and green bag. Edith Holden, cut from my scraps of Edith Holden. Okay, and I just want to put this on the other side, I think, and pop it here-ish. I'm just sort of working with the pattern that's on the bag really as to where to put the tab. If they were just plain bags, I'd probably just aim for the middle, to be honest, because you can do this with any type of lunch bag. Lots of people use brown lunch bags to do them. Okay, so that is those. So now, as I say, you would glue it the whole piece down, and then it's easier once they're actually glued down. It opens up like this. I think that's so fun. Okay. So I've been doing the like a torn like book page or music sheet layer. because the paper bag has gussets in, you actually get a line down the middle here, which is not like massively noticeable, but I know it's there. So I've just got some music sheet for this one. Just want to had a little bit of a funny look there. That's it. Okay, right, let's ink that. Yeah, I won't do all of these on video. I think I'm being a bit ambitious trying to get 4 done in one video. But yeah, I thought I would just show you how I plan on decorating them up. Whoops. So yeah, if these were plain bags, you know, if they were just like brown lunch bags, then I would probably collage some papers and, you know, do a lot more to them. Because we've got the pretty pattern, obviously I don't want to lose that, so this is just to cover up the line down the middle. Just cut the excess off there. That's it. I can't get in there. There you go. That's it. Move that out of the way. And then we'll find some pretty florals and things. Like I say, it's very simple decoration, but I think it looked so effective. So I'll do a couple. Let me do this one. So I'm going to use dictionary page for this one because it's got a more botanical feel to it, and I do like dictionary page with botanicals. Just checking, you know, what words I've got on here. Okay, so I'm going to try and copy what I've done there and do like a diagonal. And so, I don't know if that, ooh, I like it like that. Yeah, let's do that, okay. I was just looking at it and thinking, I don't know if this book page is like smaller than that one. Probably was, but I like it like that. Do I like it that way better? Yes, I do. Yeah, okay, so let's get that one glued on. So I'll just get the other two done. Because I need to pause and find some florals and labels and things anyway, so I just wanted you to see how I was doing the tearing of the paper. Well, not that there's much to it, but you know what I mean. Okay, yeah, that looks really cool. So that one I was planning on having open this away. So yeah, like that. All right, let me get the other two done and we'll decorate them up together. Okay, so I've got all of the text on. So now I'm just going to get some final decorations on. I have had a look through my stash just to make this process a bit quicker because I didn't want the video to be, you know, silly long. So for the lilac ones, I didn't want to put any florals on them because, you know, it's already got quite a lot in the background. So for this one, I was thinking to have these butterflies and words somehow. Something like that I think would look pretty. So let me get the glue, get the words glued down first. So yeah, as I say, it already had a lot going off in the background with florals, so I didn't really want to add more. I thought that would be, it would be too much, and you know, these are such pretty bags, you know, I didn't want to lose, yeah, I didn't want to lose the background too much. If they were just plain, as I say, you could really go to town with how much decoration you add. That's it. And there are lots of butterflies in my garden. Do love to see butterflies. That's that one. I think that looks good. Alright, this one next. So I think, again, I was going on the idea of having, you know, butterflies and words. So let's go. I think the blue stands off really nicely against the pink. And then I've got this line across the middle on the book page. So I'm going to pop that on. This is just a word that I've printed, you know, just typed onto Word and printed. I've done that with a few different words here and there, just to, well, yeah, you know, if it's just going to be a word, you might as well print your own if you don't have what you want, or, you know. Book pages and greeting cards are good places to get words from as well. Lots that you can save. Well, I don't know if I've done that butterfly at the bottom a bit too high actually. Maybe I should have put the word down first. That's it. It's nice. There you go. I like these. I'm really glad that I went with the torn book page in the middle. So for this one, I felt like I wanted to bring in an animal. As I say, I didn't want any more florals. So, and I didn't want, you know, everything to have butterfly on, as much as I love butterflies. So I thought I would go with this, and because I'm using a fox, I found the word wild forests. That's from a printable that I've got. I can't remember who designed it, I'm afraid. It's just, you know, nature words, very nice nature words. Right, so where do we want you to be? Something like that. So if I put a bit of blue there and catch the word on it. Shaky hands. What's that like? Oh, I don't know if I want it there actually. I think I want it more there. That's better. Sorry if I seem a bit quiet, I just I'm getting a bit tired now actually. I do find decorating a bit tricky sometimes, but you know, keep on trying. I'm loving how these are looking though, I really am. Going to be very fun in my journals. Okay, that's that one. Don't know if it wants something at the top. I might add a butterfly. What did I say? I didn't want butterflies on everything. But of course now I'm thinking, let me just see. How about a little butterfly? I think that looks nice. And then we've got this green one, which I've got opening on the other side. And I thought this owl, and got the word tree shadows, again to cover up the line on the book page. And I think that is all that needs, because the owl is quite, you know, well, yeah. Owl deserves centre stage, doesn't it? I absolutely love owls. I just think they're beautiful. Beautiful birds. So, of course, I have to have an owl in my secret garden. Which, yeah, every so often I'll do a secret garden project again. Yeah, it's really, really getting me excited for when it will be finally time to do that. So I'm just trying to make sure I get the word in the right place. So that's it. Yeah, I'm getting really excited for the project. But it's not time yet, apart from the odd make here and there. We'll go somewhere there. That's it. So yeah, as I say, the book page in the background, I just felt like, you know, gave it some decoration on its own. So I didn't feel like I needed to do, you know, a huge amount in the foreground. Very simple, just, yeah, a couple of fussy cuts and a word or something. So, as I say, these are my paper bag pockets, using the bags that I got from Globleland. So, beautiful green inspired one. And this one. And this one. And there we are. That's all those. And then this was the one that started it. So I hope you like them. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to have them in my journals. And yeah, it was really, really fun to use these paper bags. Now what I should say is, if you are going to follow along with lunch bags that you might have, don't throw away these bits. So this is the rest of the paper bag, you know, that we tore off from the bottom, cut off from the bottom. Don't throw them away, because in the next video I'm going to show you how I made this. It's an over the page pocket thing, using the rest of the paper bag basically. So don't throw the offcuts, of course. We'll do something with them on the next video. For now though, I'll leave you with these I don't know what they're called. They're like bottom fold out paper bag pockets. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find what they're called before putting the video up. But I hope you like them, and thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.